Welcome to a guided meditation for dealing with failure on Declutter the Mind. In this session, we will explore a grounded approach to understanding and processing feelings of failure without allowing them to overwhelm or define us. This practice is rooted in mindfulness and incorporates principles from Vipassana meditation, helping us to observe our experiences without judgment. Start by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit in a chair or cushion on the floor, keeping your back straight and allowing your hands to rest gently on your lap or knees. And now close your eyes. Let's start with a deep breath in through the nose, filling your lungs completely, holding it for just a moment at the top, and then exhaling slowly through the mouth. And as you breathe out, release any immediate tension you might be holding in your body. And do this a few more times at your own pace for the next few moments. And now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. And just notice the sensations of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. And whenever your mind wanders, we gently bring it back to the breath. And as you continue to notice the breath, allow the feeling of failure to enter your awareness. And so this might be a recent experience or something that has lingered with you over time. And then notice where in your body you might be feeling this emotion. Is it a tightness in your chest? A heaviness in your stomach? Or a tension in your shoulders? And we're not fabricating anything here or trying to change any sensations, just allowing us to notice this without any attachment for the next few moments. And as you do this, thoughts about your failure may start to arise. You might start to remember specific moments, words, feelings. And as these thoughts come up, practice observing them as if you were an outsider. You're not trying to engage with these thoughts or judge them. You're simply noticing their presence and then allowing them to pass all on their own before returning your focus back to the breath. And as you sit here watching the breath, just consider for a moment the nature of failure. It's a universal experience, something every person faces. And yet it's not a reflection of your worth or capabilities. Like clouds in the sky, failures come and go. They can shape us, but not define us. And so with each breath, see if you can soften your response to failure, viewing it as part of the process rather than an end. And then as we continue, each time your body exhales on its own, imagine releasing some of the weight of the failure. You might visualize this as a color or energy leaving your body. And then with each breath, you're lightening the load, allowing space for new growth and understanding. And now, as you continue to watch your breath, imagine now that you are breathing in compassion for yourself and then exhaling forgiveness. You are doing your best, learning and evolving with each experience. And so we can remind ourselves that it's okay to fail. It's okay to not be perfect. With kindness, recognize the effort and courage that it takes to try, to take risks. And so, as we come to the end of this practice, you can sit here and take a few more deep breaths. And then when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, failure is not a permanent state, nor does it define who you are. It's simply a step along the path of growth. And so carry this mindfulness and compassion with you throughout your day today. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.